Hey, happy Friday, everybody. It's Patrick here. It's Friday, September 19th, and a week ago today I had eye surgery. I was completely blind for a couple of days. Vision slowly coming back. As you can see, eyes still a little bit red. Um, and it's just a little progress every day towards better sight, hopefully. Don't know if I'll be able to get my license back, but I'm going to try. Anyways, the reason you're here, I'm a disabled investor on $1 million mission to grow my registered disability savings plan. And today was one of my sleepy days, doing nothing. As a result, I'm up over $2,000 today, to close the day at $158,760 thereabouts, which is an all-time high for me. So yay. Didn't do anything. As I said, today was a do-nothing day. Most of the week has been that as well. And as a result, I'm up over $12,000 from where I was last Friday. So, it's been a pretty good week for me. I hope it's been a good week for everybody else. And I owe most of the gains today to D-Wave Quantum. And yesterday it was D-Wave and Intel options and so on and so forth. But today the biggest contributor was D-Wave. So got to be thankful for that. I guess it's been a good day. Anyways, hope you're having a good one, and appreciate you taking time to follow my story and watch, and love hearing about your progress. So please comment what's been good for you today. Please let me know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Talk to you again.